Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well today. I just want to do a check-in for the week. So you have a post that's due by midnight or by 11:59 tonight. Let me be very specific. And if you don't post, I'm going to go in the morning and drop you. So just be mindful of that because I'm getting lots of emails asking to come to this class. So I have to either say to them, no, we're full, or okay, I dropped 5 people, here you go. So don't make me drop 5 people. How about you all post? That would be awesome. So this one was just kind of a meet and greet, right? There wasn't any sort of material behind what I was asking you to talk about. But now we're going to move into what is human sexuality and just kind of take a peek at it as an overview, as a discipline. It's interdisciplinary, right? Because we're looking at it through many lenses. So the reading this week is just about sex and sexuality, and you're going to read a little bit about different attitudes associated with sex and sexuality, and look at some theories. So it's just sort of a broad introduction, and then you will contribute to the forum, and you guys will have a discussion as a group. So that'll be due a week from today at 11:59, just like every single post going forward. All right, so mark your calendars, get on the forums, and I look forward to a lively discussion with all of you, and I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day. Take care.